Pinatubo,
Oo.
1991. Pang isa pang hindi malilimutang experience. I mean, we were a direct hit nung eruption na yun, di ba? Zambales and Pampanga yung mga direct hit. I remember that day, it was June 15, 1991. Very vivid ang memories ko ng araw na yun. Kasi it was high noon, pero it was pitch black dahil umuulan na ng buhangin dahil nag-erupt na nga yung Pinatubo. Hindi ko rin makalimutan yun kasi debut yun ng kapitbahay namin. We were supposed to go a party. So nakaset up yung mga party, yung party-party nila. And then yun nga nangyari. Kawawa naman. But anyway, it was dark the whole day and through up until midnight when we had to climb up our roof dahil kailangan na naming tanggalin yung mga natambak na buhangin. Kasi
Mhm.
mag-cave in na yung pung namin eh. So we had shovels in hand and nakikita mo yung eruption no, parang red lightning. Ganyan ko siya dinidescribe. Parang pulang kidlat yung nakikita mo coming off out of
Oh.
Pinatubo. Ganyan yung nakikita namin. No? Tapos yun, non-stop na ulan ng buhangin. And then the day after, when it was all over, nakita mo na yung devastation. We were one big desert.
Oh, so wait, nasa loob lang kayo ng bahay?
Yeah, nasa loob lang kami ng bahay. Brown
Sarado lahat ng bintana, ganyan?
Yes, yes. So it was a pretty scary time. Pero yeah, we pulled through.
Looking back at your childhood, were there instances like kumari yan, that, I mean that was such a big story. Parang
Mm.
did you ever think parang was there just a little parang speck in your mind na parang nai-imagine mo na one day magre-report ka ng something like that?
No.
Wala talaga.
No. Ang naiisip ko lang talaga noon, sabi ko, paano kami ba how does a town or a city recover from this? How do we
Mhm.
rise from the ashes, literal ashes that covered us? Kasi parang it was so desperate and hopeless at that time. Pag kung makikita mo siya, nakakaano siya, nakakalungkot siya na hopeless. Literal, ano
Mhm.
mangyayari sa atin ngayon? Tapos
Mhm.
syempre gusto mong pumasok. Kakasimula lang ng classes nun eh. Parang first or second week lang yata ng pasokan nun and then wala na naman kami pasok. But you know, it showed you how resilient people are. More so Filipinos or Kapampangans kasi yung mga Kapampangans who lived through it, we are actually proud of that and how we rose from the ashes.
Mhm.
Parang we rose even better and stronger. And if you see Pampanga now, talagang napaka ano, nakaka-proud. Sabi nga nila, ang galing, ang galing. Paano siya nakabangon.